Okay, so I would say get rid of the xy term by multiplying the bottom equation by minus 5. And again, if you can do this in your head, that's fine. I have to write it down, though. Sorry about that. And what would you get over here? You'd get 5xy plus y squared is equal to minus 75. And then you get minus 5xy plus 15y squared. Well, let's see, 450, 475, right? Let me just check that. 450 and 25, 475. Add these together. You're going to get 16y squared is equal to 400. Right, so y squared. Let's write this down for you. 400 over 16. Yeah, a simple division, it's 200 over, I'm sorry, over 8, right? And that goes in, let's see, 100 over 4. 25, I'm sorry. I paused a little bit. I'm not sure why I had to pause on that so much. So what's y? Plus or minus 5. All right, what I'm going to do now is I got to work my way backwards now. And that can be problematic. So I'm going to say I'm kind of done with this portion. All right, I know what the y is, at least after doing that simple step, I got plus or minus 5. So I got to figure out the x's. And I'm going to write it down for you. I'm going to say, what if y is 5? What would I get? Well, I would get 20. I'm using the top. I'll use the bottom equation because it's simpler for me. I would get, and I got to erase mine because I want to use the bottom equation. You would get 5x minus, let's be careful, this would be 75, equals minus 95. 5x is equal to minus 20, or x would be minus 4. So I got a point of intersection now, minus 4, 5. Let me do y equals minus 5. And again, I'm using that same equation. What are you going to get? Minus 5x minus 75 minus 95 minus 5x equals minus 20, or x equals 4. So we got another point of intersection. What's that going to be? 4 comma minus 5. So these 2 points, let's see if we got that. And I'm seeing the minus 4, 5 there, and the 4 minus 5. Now graphing, this is, Wells' textbook didn't have graphing. Very minimal, by the way. There was graph, but very minimal. I mean, I think probably the expense of covering graphs back then were enormous, and they kind of avoided it. It was tough. So nowadays, it's pretty easy to generate a graph. But what I do is I give you a graph of this system, and the points of intersection are over here. All right? Help you out with a visual understanding what those points are. Thank you.